Let's get together, we can talk about the weather, almost anything you like. Now we're all together, and I hope it lasts forever. Got my people here tonight.